Hi there, fellow do-it-your-own or do-it-yourself enthusiasts and homeowners. Today I'm diving into the world of compact power tools with a review of this JPOW Tech mini chainsaw. This is a very little powerhouse that is making waves on Amazon, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it through the paces on review here of the product. I will leave a link down below in the description so you guys could purchase it if you like. So let's jump right into it. This is a cordless handheld electric chainsaw. So this is very lightweight. When you place it within your hands, extremely lightweight and easy to hold and use. I like how it comes with a basically a two 20-volt max lithium battery. This is very helpful because a lot of times you may only get one battery and it's just not enough, and you're gonna have to wait till the other one till it charges again. But luckily they provide you two of them. It's very compact, very portable. Basically put the batteries right in here. It slides right in just like that, and pretty easy, pretty straightforward in terms of that. Very ideal for pruning, trimming, and even cutting very small wood. If you want to be able to cut small wood jobs, very easy. Right out of the back box, I'm very impressed with the packaging. The chainsaw comes in a very sturdy case for great storage and transport, and the chainsaw itself is very nice. You've got a charger that comes with it. You also have an extra chainsaw, 6-inch chainsaw that they provide into you, an extra one because you already have one right there. You do also get provided safety gloves. This is very nice to be provided. So you got nice gloves right there. And you got the instruction manual that comes with it as well. In terms of the performance testing, I've utilized this once and I cleaned it really, really well after that. But for the size of this, it really does pack a punch. It basically slices through, I would say, 3 to 4 inch branches with very much with ease. The thicker pieces, you need to let the saw just do the work. Don't force it, or the motor will struggle. So that's what I want to tell you guys right there is something a little larger. It will take some time. The battery life is a game changer. You can be able to expect each of these batteries to give you about 30 minutes of continuous cutting with the tool. If you're really going through it pretty hard, expect maybe 25 minutes, right? And 20 minutes at the very minimum. But that's 20 minutes each, so you get about almost an hour. And that's like cutting continuously, okay? I do appreciate the safety button. That's a very nice touch in terms of maybe preventing accidental starts. There's also a chain guard right there for your fingers and hands, which not many chainsaws do provide, but this one does. I think that's something that I do appreciate. And you can also remove it too if you don't want it. And it's a very compact size, very lightweight, portable, very powerful, easy to use. And the dual battery system, in my opinion, is phenomenal. In terms of the cons of this product, it may not be suitable for large cutting jobs. The battery level indicator on these batteries are pretty much non-existent. Well, you got one right there, but they're pretty much non-existent for the most part. And the charger's pretty slow, okay? But those are the only cons. In my opinion, I think this is a great price. Again, I'll leave a link down below in the description, but this is around under, roughly around $50, $60 for this mini chainsaw. So in my opinion, this is a really good price point for what it provides. So with that said, thanks for watching, guys. Please press the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Happy to appreciate you watching it. And also comment down below if you tried this or any other mini chainsaws that are out there. Happy to review it here on the channel and give you my thoughts on it. And with that said, comment down below if you've used this product or any other electrical outdoor products like electric lawnmowers we've reviewed here on the channel, or any other electric products. Happy to review it here on the channel for you. With that said, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.